ఆల్రెడీ ఏదో నాయలు వచ్చారు. అవును కదా.
चाचा वो तागले
Okay, good morning, students. Hello, good morning, students. Good morning. Okay, in the last class, we discussed only just a general concept how to, what is the radical, physical radical, acidic radical, chemical, that is a basic radical, and how to prepare the compound by using those. So last class we discussed it. Now, today, now we are going to discuss, start that new lesson, that is basic chemistry. Yeah, note down first chapter. Some basic concepts in the chemistry are basic concepts. So this is also known as a stoichiometry. That is also known as, it is a stoichiometry. Right. Good morning to all. Yeah. Okay, in this chapter, what we are discussing, main concepts are the, okay, already I think lower standard, physical quantities and SI units and all these are there in that physics also it will come. So next, length, unit of length, unit of mass, unit of time, unit of electric current, and unit of thermodynamic temperature, unit of amount of substance, okay, unit of intensity. These are there. Now some conversions. So in this some conversion factors, you note it down, all of you. Just note this. Some conversions. Some conversion factors. See this, what are conversion factors here? SI units for some common derived quantities. So you note this all SI units. SI units. SI units for some common derived quantities. Quantities. Take first one is the area. Area is equal to length into breadth. And that is, what are the units? Mm, meter into meter, that is meter square. Next, B, volume. Volume is length into breadth into height. So that is also m meter into meter into meter. That is a meter cube. Meter cube. Okay. Right. Next, density. So what is the density? Mass by volume, right? Mass by volume. That means mass kg and meter cube. That is equal to kg meter cube per meter cube. Kg per meter cube. Kg meter, or you can take this kg per meter cube. Next, after density, speed. Speed is equal to, means velocity, distance covered by time. Distance covered by time. Of course, these all are there in the physics subject also, but starting I'm writing some, you note it down before entering the chapter. Time, meter per time, that is a meter per second. Next one is acceleration. So what is meant by acceleration? Change in velocity by time taken. Change in velocity by time taken. So this is a meter per second divided by time. That is a second. That implies meter per second inverse 2. Okay, can I clear this? Yeah, note it down, please. So if you complete, I'll clear. So now I'm clearing this page. Note. No, all of you note it down, or else take the snap. Okay, Tanish. Okay, I will ask and tell you when the previous class upload in YouTube. Right. Fine. Yeah. Okay, right, fine. Now, next one is force. Next one is already acceleration is over. Next point is force. Force is equal to, it is the mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. So that is equal to mass already, kg. Acceleration, that is meter per second, second power minus 2. Yeah. So next, that is kg meter per second square. That is Newton. This is kg per meter per second is nothing but, it is a Newton, right? So Newton abbreviated as N only. This is also, it is called as Newton. Newton. Yeah. Force is not, that is the direction only. Pull or push, both are forces only. The direction, vector quantity is different. Next, pressure. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. Force pressure is force per unit area. Force per unit area. So what is the force per unit area? That is force is kg meter per second inverse by area means meter square. So here meter 1 meter cancel. So it becomes kg meter inverse second power minus 2 or simply Newton per meter 2. This is also called as Pascal. Pascal. PA. Simply it is the PA. Next, another thing is energy. So energy is equal to force into distance traveled. Distance traveled. Distance traveled. So that is equal to what are the units? What are the units? Kg meter per second to second square per second square into meter, that is equal to kg meter square and second power minus 2. It is called as joule. What is this one? Joule. Simply the representation is J. Net. Okay, mass, okay, AMU, length, volume. Okay. Next, some old unit still are used. Next point, next heading, some old units still in use. So what are the some old units still nowadays also we are using? Take this one. This one is mass. Mass is that is in kg, right? 1 kg is equal to what is the 10 power 3 grams. That is 22.2, sorry, 2.2046 lb is there, or 1 milligrams. 1 mg milligram is equal to 10 power minus 3 grams, or 1 AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12 mass of 1 by 12 mass of isotope of carbon 12. That is 1 AMU is equal to, that is unit, U is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. That is the reciprocal of Avogadro law. That is the reciprocal of Avogadro number. 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Yeah. So note it down, all of you. So can I clear the space?
Sir, what is LB?
Hello. Yeah.
Sir, what is LB?
So it is the length, it is the units of in another system. LB means 1 minute, I will see. What is LB? LB is the length, is a mass. No? It is old unit. LB means 1 minute. 1 minute, LB.
Sir, it's a
1
pound.
minute.
It's pounds.
Sorry, it is a pound only, ma. Yeah, it's correct. Pounds.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. So note it down. Can I clear this? Yes. Take now. Or else take the snap for this. Right, next one. So length. So length is measured in angstroms also. Angstroms. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter, or that is 10 power minus 10 meters. It is measured in 1 picometer. So length measured in angstrom units or picometer or nanometer, like this. 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meter, or that is 10 power minus 10 centimeters. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter, or that is 10 power minus 7 centimeter. Here this is 10 power minus 1 picometer, 10 power minus centimeter. So you can write it is also 10 power minus 2 angstroms. Yes, anybody? Angstrom.
Sir, 1 minute, can you scroll down to previous page, sir?
Wait, yeah. So it will come 1 minute. So 1 minute, please. So it takes wait 1 second. Wait. It will come. Yeah. Note it down. Yeah, AMU is the atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is nothing but a reciprocal of the Avogadro number. AMU, atomic mass units. So if you want to convert into grams, the reciprocal of Avogadro number, because mole. Okay, can I clear? Can I move to next page? Okay, thank you. Fine. Yeah, next. That is the length. Already at length. What is the next one? Length. So length units, generally it is measured in angstrom units, picometer, nanometer, or meter, centimeter. These are the units, right? So I'm writing interconversions. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter, or 10 power minus 10 meters. So next, 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meter, or 10 power minus 10 centimeter, or it is 10 power minus 2 angstroms, right? 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter, or it is 10 power minus meter means 10 power, that is 10 power minus 7 centimeters, or it is 10 angstroms also. 10 angstroms also, right? Next. Okay, this is the length. Next. Okay, volume, old unit. What is the volume? What is the meaning of angstrom? Means it is the unit of length only. It is a unit of length. Picometer, angst. Okay, that is see them. These are the old units only. Angstrom only. Angstrom only this. Yeah. Next, volume. So 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Or 1 centimeter cube means 1 ml. That we can write 1000 ml. Or it is 1 decimeter cube. Decimeter cube. So that is 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Right? It is okay. Since 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. So obviously 1 decimeter cube is equal to 10 centimeter whole cube, right? That means 10 cube means 1000 and centimeter cube. That is nothing but 1 liter. Next. Can I clear this?
1 minute, sir.
Next, go for the pressure. What are the units for pressure? Yeah, note it down, all of you. After density and before pressure.
Done, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, take the pressure. So what are the pressure units? Generally, it is measured in atmospheric units. 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 torr or 760 mm of Hg, millimeter of Hg, or that is 76 centimeter of Hg, or that's equal to 1.013 into 10 power 5 Pascal Pa, or that is equal to 1.01 to 0.1, 1 minute. $1.01325 bars, or that equal to 101,325 Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square. Right. Right, next work and energy. That is the unit of tar is the unit, since 1 mm is 1 tar only. Another word that in Latin words only. These are measured in that language, Latin languages. Okay, now work and energy. So 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 ergs. 1 joule is equal to 10 power ergs, or that is 0.733. What is not the unit? 1 minute, please. Okay, that is our enter conversions. 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. That is 4.184 into 10 power 7 ergs. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 12 ergs. That is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. 1 electron volt per atom is equal to 96.48 kilojoule per mole. That is equal to, for 1 electron volt for atom is equal to 23.06 kilocalories per mole. Next, force. Can I clear this page? What happens this?